Oh, it's that time of day where it started to rain. So come in the barn, we'll have a guessing game. Now, it's a little bit different this time. Little bit different because Patch has been practicing his animal impressions and he would like to impress you with them. So listen, which farm animal makes a sound like this? Oh, very impressive. So, which animal is it? A pig? A sheep? Or a cockerel? What do you think? Of course you're right. It's that pig, isn't it? Oh, well done, Patch, and well done you. And here's a little treat, if you got it right.